Good day, everyone! My name is Mary Grace C. Cueva, a Level 3 student nurse from Holy Angel University. And for today, I am going to teach you deep breathing and coughing exercises. Deep breathing and coughing exercises are examples of respiratory exercises. Performing this kind of exercise will help you prevent respiratory system complication as this strengthens your accessory muscles around the lung and diaphragm, which improves lung function. It is important to practice deep breathing and coughing exercises so that you will be able to do the exercise below easily after surgery. These exercises will help your breathing, clear your lungs, and lower your risk of pneumonia. This is crucial because it assists breathing and clear excess secretion in the recovery stage.
Oh, please come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
Okay po. So, my name is Mary Grace C. Cueva, a Level 3 student nurse from Holy Angel University. And for today, I will be your student nurse. Is that okay with you?
Yes, it's okay.
So, what's your name, ma'am?
I am Camille Reyes.
Okay po. For today, ma'am, I will be going to teach you about your deep breathing and coughing exercises, which are very important to do after your surgery to keep your lungs clear.
Okay, what do I have to do?
So now, we will start by having you sit up nice and straight. Okay, good. What I would like you to do is to take a deep breath in your nose and out through your pursed lips. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you try.
Okay.
Okay, that was a good start. So for now, I would like you to try to breathe more deeply this time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So as you take a breath in, I would like your ribs to expand sideways as your lungs is filled with air, okay? So we can now try. Okay, that was good. So let's try that for 2 more times. Okay, another one. Okay, excellent. So this time, when you take a deep breath in, I would like you to hold it for a count of 3. Okay? Then slowly exhale it. So this is how it looks like. So you may try now. Okay? Let's start. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. And then slowly exhale. Okay, very good. Try again this time. So, inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Okay, very good. In addition to your deep breathing, it is important that you are coughing regularly as well, okay?
Okay.
So, what I'm going to suggest is that you hold a pillow against your incision, okay? Which will provide a little support and alleviate some discomfort that might be associated with coughing. Then again, I would like you to take a deep breath through your nose and cough 2 times in a row. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so let's try that. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay, very good. Did you feel any pain when you did your coughing exercises?
Actually, it hurts a little bit.
Oh, really? Actually, it is really bound to hurt. But if you find the pain too much or too extreme, such as you don't want to cough anymore, I suggest that you consult your nurse or doctor so that they can give you some pain medications before doing the coughing exercises. Okay?
Okay. Is this exercises really important to me?
Actually, it is really important for you to do this kind of exercises after the surgery, and you should do it regularly, okay? So what I suggest is that you do your coughing and breathing exercises 3 to 5 times every hour, especially if you are awake, okay?
Alright, so should I do them at home?
After your discharge home, it's a good idea that you do the exercise for the first 2 weeks, okay? So you must do it just like how you were doing them at hospital, okay?
Okay.
So do you have any other questions?
I can't think of any. I'm good.
Oh, that's really great. It is very nice meeting you, Miss Camille Reyes. I appreciate your cooperation and participation, and thank you so much po.
Thank you as well, and you're welcome.
That is all for my deep breathing and coughing exercises. I hope you learned and enjoyed at the same time. Again, this is Mary Grace C. Gueva, a Level 3 student nurse from Holy Angel University. Thank you for watching! Bye!